If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add link in Card. First, add a button. In the button editor, you'll see there a label. Under label is the link, and under the link is the URL. So, in order to add a link in a button, just copy a link from a website like YouTube, Facebook, IG, or any link you want to add to your card. In this case, I'm going to link the Cherry on Top song from YouTube to card. So I'm going to right click the video and copy the link address. Now I'm going to paste it to my button. Now, in order to have a responsive button here in card, you'll have to avail the paid plan here in card. Now, once you're done pasting the link, you can edit the button if you want to. You can change the color, font, and you can also resize the button. You can change the corner radius. Now you'll see here the on click. It's a console for the responsiveness of your button in card. Like I said, in order to use the on-click function, you'll have to avail the paid plan on card. And that's it. That's how you add a link in card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.